Introduction. Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Adsense account to your YouTube channel. By doing so, you'll be able to monetize your videos and earn money from the ads that appear on your channel. Step 1. Sign up for Adsense. The first step is to sign up for an Adsense account if you haven't already. To do this, go to the Adsense website and click Sign Up Now. Fill in the required information, including your website URL and your payment details. Step 2. Enable monetization on your YouTube channel. Next, you need to enable monetization on your YouTube channel. To do this, go to your YouTube studio and click on Monetization from the left-hand menu. Then, click on Start and follow the steps to set up your monetization preferences. Step 3. Link your Adsense account to your YouTube channel. Once you've enabled monetization, you can link your Adsense account to your YouTube channel. To do this, go back to the Monetization page and click on Enable My Account. This will take you to a page where you can link your Adsense account. Step 4. Complete the Adsense sign-up process. Follow the steps on the Adsense sign-up page to link your Adsense account to your YouTube channel. You may need to provide additional information, such as your tax information and your mailing address. Step 5. Wait for approval. After you've linked your Adsense account to your YouTube channel, you'll need to wait for approval. This process can take up to several days. Once you're approved, you can start earning money from the ads on your channel. Conclusion, and that's it. By following these steps, you can link your Adsense account to your YouTube channel and start earning money from your videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.